Hi everyone, and welcome to this video about the quote, "Whatever you are thinking about, that is who you will become." This quote is a powerful reminder that our thoughts have a direct impact on our lives. The things we think about all day long shape our beliefs, our attitudes, and our actions. If we constantly dwell on negative thoughts, such as self-doubt, fear, and anger, we are more likely to experience negative emotions and outcomes in our lives. On the other hand, if we focus on positive thoughts, such as gratitude, self-love, and optimism, we are more likely to experience positive emotions and outcomes in our lives. Why is it important to be mindful of our thoughts? Our thoughts are like seeds. When we plant a seed in the ground, it will eventually grow into a plant. The quality of the plant depends on the quality of the seed. In the same way, the quality of our lives depends on the quality of our thoughts. If we plant negative seeds in our minds, we will eventually grow a negative life. If we plant positive seeds in our minds, we will eventually grow a positive life. How to change our thoughts? If we want to change our lives, we need to start by changing our thoughts. But how do we do that? Here are a few tips. Be mindful of your thoughts. Pay attention to the things you are thinking about all day long. Identify negative thoughts. Once you become aware of your negative thoughts, challenge them. Are they really true? Is there another way to look at the situation? Replace negative thoughts with positive thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking a negative thought, replace it with a positive one. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm not good enough," think, "I am worthy and capable." Focus on the good. Make a conscious effort to focus on the good things in your life, both big and small. This will help to cultivate a more positive mindset. Conclusion. Remember, whatever you are thinking about, that is who you will become. Choose your thoughts wisely.